Hello student, this is the next video of chapter 1 part 5. Chapter name is food and human health. In previous video we were discuss about blood pressure. Okay, in this video we will talk about toxic substances. So what are toxic substances? Substances that can be poisonous or causes health effect. Any substances that have some poisonous effect in our body, that is known as toxic substances. In your syllabus there are 4 types of toxic substances are given. So one by one we will discuss about all these 4 toxic substances. The first one is tobacco, second one is alcohol, third one is gutka, and fourth one is opium. So all these 4 topic we will discuss one by one. So first one is here gutka. So it is obtained from piece of betel leaves, that you know, that pan, lime, katha, etc. So gutka is obtained from the piece of betel leaf, lime, katha, etc. And the second point is there, the muscle of jaw becomes rigid and does not open properly. So if the person have if a person have addiction to eat gutka, that person muscles, mouth muscles, jaw muscles becomes rigid. Rigid means rough and hard and does not open properly. Their jaw cannot open properly. So if the person, that is the effect by if we are eating gutka. So that's why this how effect in our body. Okay. And because of eating gutka, the diseases occur. That disease name is submucous fibrosis. Sometimes the question is arises from here, what are the diseases caused by if a person eat gutka? So the disease name is submucous fibrosis. The symptoms of this disease we will talk about right now in a previous point, that is the jaw muscles becomes rigid and cannot open properly. The symptom is also asked sometimes. So by eating gutka, the disease occur, that is submucous fibrosis. Okay, the next substances is there, toxic substances is there, that is tobacco. Okay, tobacco. So it is obtained from leaves of Nicotiana tabacum. One plant is there. So tobacco is obtained from the leaves of Nicotiana tabacum. Again the question is arises from here, that by which from where the tobacco is obtained, that is by leaves of Nicotiana tabacum. Nicotiana tabacum is the scientific name of that plant. Okay, so nicotine alkaloids is found in it. So which type of alkaloid is present? Nicotine alkaloid is found in it, that is harmful. Okay, and third one is people chew it with pan, gutka, lime, etc. So those have a addiction to eat tobacco, they will eat with the with pan, like betel leaves, gutka, and lime, in which this tobacco is present, and it also have a adverse effect in our body. Okay, next one is alcohol. Alcohol, all you know that what is alcohol? Wine. In commonly we can call it wine. So wine are made by ethyl alcohol. So alcohol is made up of by ethyl alcohol. That chemical name is C2H5OH. Okay. So here again one question is there, write down the chemicals name of alcohol, that is C2H5OH. Next one, and the fourth one, toxic substances, is opium. This is much more important. Okay, it is obtained after drying raw fruits of plant Papaver somniferatum. So from where we got opium? So one plant is there, that plant name is Papaver somniferatum. Scientific name again Papaver somniferatum. So the fruits of Papaver somniferatum is drying, then we got it opium. Second point is approximately 30 types of alkaloids are found in it. How many types of alkaloids are present? 30 types of alkaloids are present here. And in that 30 types, 5 are main. So sometimes the 5 name is asking in a question, that is morphine, codeine, nicotine, somniferin, and papaverine are main. So in these 30 types of alkaloid, these 5 are main alkaloids present in a opium. Now third point is here, morphine and codeine are used to make painkiller medicine. And why this opium, if it is harmful, so why there is agriculture of this opium is occur? So because of some this alkaloid, that morphine and codeine are useful. Why it is useful? Because of the medicine, painkiller medicine is made up of by the morphine and codeine. Okay. Other toxic substances, some other toxic substances is there, that is cocaine, charas, LSD. LSD full form is lysergenic acid diethylamide. Okay. Now harmful effect. If the person are eating these type of substances, some harmful effects are occurred in their body. So what are that harmful effects? So first one point is the possibility of cancer increase many times because of eating wine, alcohol, gutka. So cancer is occurred. Okay. Second point is use of these substances decrease memory and affect the nervous system. If the person have addiction of these type of toxic substance, their memory will decrease and also that will affect the nervous system. Third point is it disbalance economic condition and social image. Their economic condition is also affected and social image is also down. Food adulteration. Food adulteration means substance that lower the quality of food is called adulterant, such as water, washing soda, sand, dust, etc. Simple meaning of food adulteration means that mixing of anything in any substances to lower the quality of that substances. I am giving you one example here. We know that we are taking milk. So in that milk only pure milk is not present. What is mixed there? Why? Water is mixed there. So because of that the quality of milk will affect it. So mixing of anything that affect the quality of pure food, that is known as food adulteration. Got it the point? Mixing of anything that affect the quality of pure substances, that is known as food adulteration. So what are that substances? Such as water, washing soda, sand, dust. These are the substances that is mixed with the pure substances and their quality will affect. So these substances are called adulterant. Okay. So adulteration of 2 or 3 things we will discuss here. That is, first one is cold drink. We will discuss about the cold drink. In cold drink, what are the things mix and by which what are the effect happen in our body. The first point is phosphoric acid is added in the cold drink, which is directly effective and also it has ability to dissolve iron. So what are mixed here? Phosphoric acid are mixed with in a cold drink that affect the our teeth and also it dissolve the iron present in our body. So what are the work of iron? We know that iron is used for production of hemoglobin in our body. Hemoglobin is important. So if it dissolve, if phosphoric acid capability is to dissolve the iron in our body. Okay. Second point is there the chemical ethylene glycol is present in cold drink which does not allow water to freeze at 0 degree temperature. Simply we can call it here, in common language it is called sweet poison. So these chemical ethylene glycol is there, that we call it sweet poison, and because of this the diabetes is occur in our body. Third one is caffeine is mixed in cold drink which causes insomnia and headache problem. You know that what is headache problem, and insomnia means sleeplessness, when the people can't feel to sleep. So sleeplessness is known as insomnia. So caffeine is also mixed in a cold drink, because of that these problems are occur, insomnia and headache problem. And fourth one is there synthetic colors flavoring agent affect the liver and kidney. So some synthetic colors are added in a cold drinks, flavoring agent is added in a cold drink, because of that liver and kidney is affected in a adverse effect in our liver and kidney. Okay. Now the second thing is there, that is milk. In milk that we are taking the milk that is not pure milk. In that milk what is mixed there? Urea, soda, posture color, refined oil. These are the things that is mixed. So the quality of milk is affected, by which the people can't be healthy. Okay. Others one, brick powder in chili powders. Chili powder, we know that in that chili powder, brick powder is mixed because of the color. So it is also affect the quality of chili powder. Okay, this is the note and important point of this chapter, that in 1954 PFA means Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was passed by government. So this act was passed by government, so the people can't mix any other substances by which the quality of food is affected. Okay, this law is passed by the government. Now on the basis of this topic, I will give you some questions here. That questions, all the questions answer is I have discussed in this video. So first question is here, write harmful effects of tobacco. Okay. Second is describe the harmful effect of cold drink in on our body. Third one is write the scientific name of opium plant and write down the symptoms and reasons of submucous fibrosis. Okay, all these topics I have discussed in this video, so you have to write the answer of this question.